Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's create user model to save all these detail inside a database like name, email, phone, password. So that let here open your applications. Then inside my app, create a new folder that is a models. So let's create here model. Now inside the models, create a new file that is user.js. Create here users.js, got it. And then inside it here import Mongoose, which is a popular library for the MongoDB object modelings, and it allow for the creation of a schema and a model to interact with the MongoDBs. So that's why here import Mongoose Mongoose from @Mongoose. Got it. I think we have not yet imported install this library. So let's check here. We have a Mongoose or not? We have no Mongoose. So just here install. Right here npm I mongoose. So import this library here. Okay. Now let's go inside user. Then here write here define a schema, a new schema for the user models. A schema represents the structure of a document within a collection in MongoDB, enforcing rules and validations. It's also validate your field and then here create a collections. Here getting something wrong. So what is the issue here? I know that here the issue with your latest version of React. So that's why you will getting the error. But don't worry, we will use a force command to install all this library. Okay, and it takes some time to install, but mhm. So just check it now. You successfully install your library Mongoose. Now you see here you have a Mongoose library. Fine. So here everything is fine, guys. Don't worry. So now here defining a new schema const user schema equal new mongoose dot schema. Then here we have a schema. Then write at times stems. Here I think spelling mistake with times stems. So let's remove this. Right here timestamp, and it is the true. So it is automatically create a field that is created and updated it. Okay, in the database. Okay, this option which automatically created it and updated at field uh, to the schema and the tagging when each document is created and last modified. So that's why here we will use this field. You can say it time systems. Now inside it here create a field defining a name field for the user name. Here write name, then inside it type that is a string. Okay. Basically this is string. Okay, not this string here, capital string. Then after that here required field. This field is required, so a value must be provided when a new user, basically when creating a new user document from the client side. When user something write in the input field, and then that will be name here must be required. So required true. Then here trim to here any leading and trailing white special will remove from the string. So just say that the trim. Here your trim value will be true here. Got it. Then the next is the mean length. Mean length that is a 3. Got it. And then max length max length, that is it 20. Got it. Then you're defining a username field for the user. I think here no required of username, so just remove it. Leave as it is. Next field is to email. So you define a email. Inside it, type is string. So it store the only the string values. Okay, not a number. And required. This field is mandatory. So required here. Required will be true. Mm-hmm. Got it. And it is a must be unique. Ensure the each email address in the collection is unique, not a duplicate email. Okay, so that's why we will use the unique. Here we have unique, and that's the value will be true here. Got it. And then here create a index on this field, improving the efficiency of queries based on the email. So you just write the index. hmm Index, and that's value will be here true. And lowercase, your email must be in lowercase. mm-hmm. Lower case. Got it. Now it is a true. The next field is your phone phone numbers, and that is also a string. Type is string. The next field is password. Here defining password field for the users. So here write the password. Inside it, type here its type is also a string. And required true values. And here one thing, defining the role field for the user. Here we define the two role of the user. First one is user, and second is email. So here restrict the value of this field to either user or the admin. So that's why here first, I think this is a password, and then you write the role field. Inside it you have a type string, and then here enum values. Then inside a string must be user, then admin. And here set the default value for this field to user if no value is provided. Okay, so you know that by default value, if user is logged in or register, then default value will be here user. Default value users, and this fields also mandatory. So you required. Then the next field is subscriptions. Here we will also create a subscription based inventory management system. Here we will collect a payment on the basis of yearly or monthly basis. Okay, so on the basis of that, we will provide this application to the user, so that user access the dashboard of inventory management system and subscription field. You're right. The subscription field, inside it, type is string. Got it. Now I think here everything is fine. So just format your document. Here you have username, new mongoose.schema, name, email, phone, password, roles, subscriptions. So now fine. The next is to so you're exporting the user model, which is created from the user schema. And if the user model is already exist, to prevent redefinition, and it reuse the existing models. So you write in the export default mongoose dot models dot user. Right here mongoose dot model user. Then you write the user schema. Got it? So now fine, and make sure that here you write the same name. If you write here user, then also you write the user. Okay, and here you have models, and here model, only model, and here we have yes. Okay, now you check everything is carefully. Okay, so here you have models, and here just model, and this is your collections name got on the top, and basically this name you put inside this here user schema, and this is your collections name user. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.